shit. It's like, yeah, I was like 10,000 for those fucking
But well, you know, to science, you know that 10,000 that I run this is like 200. That range of water is
I never been. Okay.
You could go that way, and then it'll reroute, so it's all Gucci.
This is so weird. Why doesn't have to fix that?
Head north on Lancashire Boulevard.
Oh,
In a quarter
Sherman
mile,
Way.
turn left onto Sherman Way.
So kind of like, yeah.
There's a car freaking behind me, that Lexus and that. How?
But I
No
mean,
more of the bumps on the road, freaking hurting my butt. Or whatever shit. I'm liking this. Okay. Is it left lane, left turn, or just straight?
oh, straight.
Okay, straight and then a left onto
And
the
then,
freeway.
yeah, on the next light.
Oh, okay,
pretty
because we
much.
passed the freeway and then go the next left.
You know what I'm saying? I got a new car.
New car!
Oh, D!
I love it! I don't know what station this is, but oh my
It's
god.
perfect.
Perfect!
Sounds nice.
Oh my god!
And you have the floor mats?
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? This is live.
This is awesome!
I'm happy for you,
Thank you, bro, thank you! Oh my god.
No, I really can't complain. Wave, yeah. Everything is straight. Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she biting lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could fuck with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing.